Hello everyone. Today I'm going to share with you a special way to make Northeastern style egg sauce. Once you learn this method, you won't need to cook for a whole week. Whether you mix it with noodles, serve it with rice, or eat it with steamed buns, it's incredibly fragrant and tastes amazing. Let's take a look at how I make it. First, prepare 5 authentic hen eggs and crack them into a bowl. Then add a little white vinegar to remove any fishy smell. Add a little water as well, this will make the eggs fluffier. Then use chopsticks to thoroughly beat the eggs until well mixed. Finally, beat the eggs until they reach a smooth consistency like this, then set them aside for later use. Next, prepare a handful of green onions, remove the roots and slice them into rings. Once sliced, place them on a plate and set aside. Next, prepare a few small chili peppers, remove the stems and slice them into rings. If you don't like spicy food, you can use red bell pepper instead. Prepare 30 grams of fresh ginger and slice it. Then cut it into thin strips. And then mince it finely. Once chopped, place it on a plate. Take half a stalk of leek, cut it in half lengthwise, and then into strips. Then chop it into scallion pieces. Prepare a handful of garlic, crush it to release more flavor. Then mince the garlic. Next, prepare a small amount of green Sichuan peppercorns and chop them finely with a knife. Try to chop them as finely as possible for a better texture. After chopping, place them on a plate and set aside. Now let's make a sauce. Add 2 spoonfuls of soybean paste to a bowl. Add 1 spoonful of oyster sauce, 2 spoonfuls of light soy sauce, 2 small spoonfuls of sugar to enhance the flavor. Then add a small spoonful of 13 spice powder, and use a spoon to mix everything thoroughly. After mixing well, set it aside for later use. Heat a small amount of oil in the wok. Once the oil is hot, pour in the beaten egg mixture, then use a spatula to scramble the eggs until they set and break them into small pieces. Be sure to use low heat when stir-frying. Eggs cooked over low heat are more fragrant, tender, and soft, while high heat can make them tough. Once the eggs are done, take them out and set aside for later use. Next, add a bit more oil to the wok, then add the chopped aromatics you prepared earlier. Use low heat to stir-fry the aromatics until their moisture evaporates and their fragrance is released. It's important to remember that no matter what kind of sauce you're making, you must cook off the moisture from the aromatics. This step is crucial. Removing the moisture makes the dish more flavorful and also helps it keep longer. Once the aromatics are dry, pour in the prepared sauce. Continue to stir-fry over low heat, slowly bringing out the aroma of the sauce. Keep stir-frying until it reaches a state like mine, where the oil and the ingredients are clearly separated. Then add the scrambled eggs back in. Stir everything well, so the eggs and the sauce flavors fully blend together. Friends, if you've watched the video up to this point, could you please use your lucky hands to like and share it? Your likes and shares are the greatest support for me. Thank you so much. We just need to keep stir-frying over low heat for about 2 more minutes. Finally, add the sliced green and red chili rings and stir-fry until fragrant. Let me explain something here. When making the sauce, you should use a bit more oil. With more oil, the sauce will taste more fragrant and will be less likely to spoil during storage. Wow, as the eggs cool down, the aroma is just incredible. Once the green and red peppers are just cooked through, you can take everything out of the pan. A delicious egg sauce is now ready. It's full of rich, savory aroma, and just looking at it makes your mouth water. The method is very simple, and it's delicious whether you use it in steamed buns, mix it with noodles, or serve it with rice. You can make a larger batch at once and store it in a sealed jar. Keep it refrigerated, and you can take some out whenever you want to eat. It's very convenient. If you like it, feel free to save this recipe and give it a try. See you next time.